Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to smash that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I have so many August spoilers for Boxycharm. It's insane. So if you would like to see what will be coming in your future boxes, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Alrighty, so let's just hop straight into these. There's a lot to go through, and I would like to start out by letting you guys know Boxycharm is a makeup slash skincare slash sometimes lifestyle and hair product subscription box. Most of the time it's makeup, except for kind of lately it's been a lot of skincare too, but it's been nice. They put a lot of higher end products in their boxes. The base box is $25 a month, and then you can upgrade to the premium box, which is $35 a month, and you get a couple more extra products in there. And then every 3 months you can get the Boxy Luxe box, which is an upgrade of your base box, and it is $50 every 3 months. So that is what Boxycharm is. If you're new and you would like to sign up, there's a link down below. If you click that link and at checkout, if you enter the code Summer Eyes, you will get a free Murad moisturizer. So that's super awesome. I'm very glad they're bringing back the free products instead of the $5 to the Boxy pop-up or the add-on store. I wasn't really liking that code too much. I really liked it when they were giving away the free products. So they're back to doing that again. So thank goodness. Alrighty, so first we're going to jump into the base box spoilers first, and then we will go and talk about the premium boxes, and then we'll hop into some future spoilers that have been confirmed, but we don't know which box are going in yet. So right off the bat, we have our choice items, which choice was July 15th. Be sure to leave a comment down below of what you chose for choice. The first choice item is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, valued at $29 for 15 milliliters. And I've heard such great things about this concealer. Full coverage, flawless, just super amazing formula altogether. And then choice number 2 is the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser, valued at $36. If I was able to make a choice this month, that's the one I would have chose, because it has salicylic acid in it. It's going to clean out your pores. It's going to prevent breakouts. And it's just an overall just amazing, wonderful cleanser. If I could use a cleanser, that's the one I would use every day. And then choice number 3 is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer, valued at $54 for 50 milliliters. Now, for one, the packaging, we can always count on Glam Glow for some amazing, beautiful packaging. That's for sure. And then for 2, the product is so wonderful and hydrating and just amazing. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. Overall, great product for sure. And the smell, Okay, and then choice number 4 is the QMS Active Glow SPF 15 Tinted Day Cream, valued at $105 for 50 milliliters. What? $105. So that would have been a hard choice for me personally between the Dr. Brandt cleanser and the QMS tinted moisturizer, just for the fact that I don't really like to wear foundation because it causes a lot of breakouts. I do lean more towards tinted moisturizers and BB creams. So, and it has SPF in it, which we need right now. It was 91 degrees where I live. Tomorrow it's going to be 93. It's late tonight and it's still hot. So, SPF, yes please. And then moving on to the other spoilers, we have spoiler number 5, which is a Milk makeup product. It is the Kush Fiber Brow Gel, valued at $20, 4.5 milliliters. And the reviews on this product on Sephora's website are through the roof, astronomically all up there, very high. I believe it had a 4.7 stars out of 5. So this product, super, super amazing. I would love to try this product. It sounds great. And then spoiler number 6 is the Tristique Summer Glow Plus Go Mini Summer Essentials Set, valued at $42. This set is super awesome because you got your highlight, you got your concealer, you got an eyeshadow, and then you got a blush in there. So everything you need on the go, just take it, slap it on there really quick, and you got a full face. So I thought that was super awesome. And then spoiler number 7 is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, valued at $26 for 0.3 ounces. And I haven't ever really heard of this product before, so I guess we'll have to see how that goes. And then spoiler number 8 is the Tristique, a matte for every mood mini set, valued at $58. And I really like Tristique because they're in those like wound up pencils. But they're not pencils, they're like cream. So I've always loved Tristique's products. They're actually part of the reason why I got my very first Allure box, was because they had this lip pencil. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, here it is. So this is their Tristique Prime and Color Lip Glaze, Base and Brilliant, English, in the shade English Rose. So this is what made me get my very first Allure. It looks like a pencil. And then on the bottom, you pull this out and there is a primer. It's just a lip primer. There's no color to it or anything like that. And then you put that back in there. And then you pop this off. And here's the lip product in like kind of a rectangular shape. And then you put that on top of the primer. And that's what it looks like. Super beautiful shade. Very, very creamy and pigmented. But this is the reason why I wanted it. And I know. I'm so childish sometimes. It's magnetic. It's the little things in life, right? So I think those products are super awesome. I've always loved Tristique's products a lot. They've always done very good for me, so it's a win from me. All right, and then moving on to our August premium. August choice will be July 20th, will be August choice. Choice items for August are going to be number 1, the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, valued at $65. I've used this product before and I loved it. It is such a great nighttime cream because it's just super, super thick. So you're going to want to put it on at night before you go to bed because it does feel kind of heavy on the skin, but while you're sleeping, you won't really notice it. And it's super, super hydrating. So it's definitely for people who have very dry skin, and it smells like oranges. So yummy. Okay, and then there's spoiler number 2, which is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinol Serum, valued at $85. And I do have to toot my horn just a little bit because I had seen this spoiler like months and months and months ago, and I'm like, I think this is going to be in the box. This is going to be in the box. And a lot of people are like, that wasn't a spoiler. And I'm like, no, I really think it's going to be in the box. Da da da. Sorry, like I said, it's the little things in life. And I've heard such great things about that as well, so I'm all for a good serum. And then we have spoiler number 3, which is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer, valued at $35. I've never heard of this company before either, and that's what I really, really love about Boxycharm is they put a lot of products in the box that we normally wouldn't know about or wouldn't actually go out and buy because they're not really well-known companies. So it's really super awesome that they put things in there new for us to try. And so I'm wondering if it smells like bananas because that would be cool. And then there's spoiler number 4, which is the Ciate London Editor Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $32. It has not been released on Ciate London's website yet, but we do have a sneak peek picture of it right there. And what I've seen of this company's eyeshadow palettes is they do a pretty good job with them, so not too shabby. And then spoiler number 5 is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, valued at $33. I really like this setting powder because it doesn't have flashback, so that's super good. Plus their packaging is always super adorable. Or, because this is a variation product, it might possibly be a second choice item, but we're not sure yet. But you will get either that one or the Dermalect Extra Large Lash Volumizer Booster, valued at $49. And that is a product that's going to make your eyelashes grow thicker and longer. And you can also use it on your eyebrows to make your eyebrow hair grow longer. I personally would not want to do that because they're already big and bushy and need to be plucked more than anything on this whole planet right now. But some people may have thin eyebrows and might want to do that. So that would be a good product for you. And then I would like to move on to some possible future sneak peeks. So these sneak peeks could possibly be in the August boxes or future boxes in the future. So spoiler number 1 for possible sneak peeks is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, valued at $45. There is the Urban Decay Naked Heat Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $54. There is the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops Coconut Highlighter, valued at $45. Keeping in mind, these are confirmed spoilers. They will be coming. Marc Jacobs! Speaking of Marc Jacobs, we have spoiler number 4, which is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Moisturizer, valued at $21. And then spoiler number 5 is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, valued at $38. And spoiler number 6 is a maybe, not confirmed, but I did see one of the Boxycharm girls using this on either Instagram or TikTok. Might have been TikTok. It's the Lash Binder, valued at $24.99. This is something you use to grab the lashes and to put it on your lash line. Also, something I thought that was really cool about this company is with each lash binder they sell, they donate one to a cancer patient who has lost their lashes due to chemotherapy. And I thought that was really awesome of that company to do that. So that is all of the spoilers I have for right now. I'm sure as soon as I post this video, more will go up and I'll make another video. Also keep an eye on my Instagrams because I do post spoilers over there as well. It's at KILA.SIBBETT. And remember to love each other and stay safe out there. Wear a mask if that is mandated in your state. And remember, Black Lives Matter. And I love each and every one of you guys so very much. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.